Just a few months ago, Figure AI introduced its next-generation humanoid robot, the Figure 03. It wasn't just another robot with flashy demos. It featured better hands, faster processing, improved AI, speech-to-speech communication, and the ability to safely work alongside people. At the time, many people wondered, this looks impressive, but when will it actually do real work? Well, we already have the answer. BMW has now deployed the Figure 03 inside its massive manufacturing plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, where it's performing real production tasks on an active automotive assembly line. This isn't a laboratory demonstration or a promotional video. It's part of BMW's day-to-day manufacturing operations. Welcome to RoboBuzz, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs in robotics and the technologies shaping our future. BMW's partnership with Figure AI actually began with the earlier Figure 02 robot. During a 10-month pilot program, that robot helped build more than 30,000 BMW X3 SUVs by accurately positioning sheet metal parts inside the body shop before they were welded together. That successful trial proved something important. Humanoid robots can safely work alongside human employees inside a busy automotive factory while meeting BMW's demanding production standards. Now BMW is taking the next step with the new Figure 03. Instead of working in the body shop, Figure 03 has been assigned to one of the most critical parts of the factory, the logistics department. Its job is to organize thousands of vehicle components before they ever reach the assembly line. Parts arrive in large containers without any production sequence. Figure 03 picks up each individual component, identifies it, and places it into special sequencing trolleys in exactly the order needed for production. Those trolleys are then transported by automated vehicles to different assembly stations, where workers receive the right part at exactly the right time. It may sound like a simple task, but efficient logistics is one of the biggest factors in keeping a modern automotive factory running smoothly. Even small delays can slow production, so accuracy and consistency are extremely important. Figure 03 also brings several major improvements over the previous generation. Its redesigned soft exterior makes it safer to operate around people. Wireless charging allows it to spend more time working and less time connected to charging stations. The robot now supports speech-to-speech communication, making future collaboration with human workers much more natural. Perhaps the biggest upgrade is its new hands. They're equipped with tactile sensors and palm-mounted cameras, allowing the robot to better understand exactly what it is holding. That means more accurate gripping, sorting, and handling of delicate automotive components. BMW says these robots are not replacing employees. Instead, they're designed to take over repetitive, physically demanding, and ergonomically challenging tasks, allowing skilled workers to focus on jobs that require experience, judgment, and problem-solving. The humanoid robot is just one part of BMW's broader smart factory strategy. The company already uses digital factory simulations to design production lines before they're built, and its AI-powered quality inspection system continuously checks vehicle quality using cameras, sensors, and intelligent software. Potential issues can be detected much earlier, reducing waste while maintaining BMW's high-quality standards. Figure 03 fits perfectly into this vision of combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and human expertise into a single intelligent manufacturing system. And this may only be the beginning. If Figure 03 performs as successfully as Figure 02, we could soon see humanoid robots expanding into more BMW factories, and eventually into manufacturing plants across the automotive industry. The question is no longer whether humanoid robots can work inside factories. They're already here. The real question is, how quickly will every major manufacturer follow BMW's lead? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to RoboBuzz, and turn on